Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to add closed captions to a video stored in Google Drive. Adding captions not only improves accessibility, but also helps you reach a wider audience. First, upload your video to Google Drive if you haven't already. Simply drag and drop your file. Or use the upload option to get it ready. Once uploaded, right-click on your video file. This menu gives you access to important controls, including caption management. From here, choose Manage Caption Tracks. This will open the caption management interface where you can view, add, or adjust captions. Next, click to add a new caption track. Google also offers an automatic captioning service, which is a quick way to generate captions for your video. Finally, be sure to review and edit those captions carefully. Automated captions can miss words or punctuation, so double-checking ensures your content is clear and accessible to everyone. And that's it. You've successfully added closed captions to a Google Drive video, making your content more inclusive and easier for your audience to follow.